Hi, I'm Andy from Heritage Parts Centre, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the rear repair panel for the Caddy MK1. The Caddy MK1 first rolled off the production line in the early 1980s, and with it being built for commercial use, it's probably done its fair share of lugging building materials or farm animals around, leaving the rear a little worse for wear. This top quality outer repair panel is made from Zinc, an electro zinc coated mild steel which has additional anti-corrosion properties. Manufactured in the UK, it only has the holes for the bumper mounts and the number plate light grommets. The other holes have all been deleted, as most people would weld those up and smooth them out. For any DIY welder, this is an easy job to do. For more information on this rear repair panel for the Caddy MK1, please see our website.